It is a zebra. It is a goat. It is a cow. It is a sheep. Find the odd one. It is zebra. Because a zebra is a wild animal. But goat, cow, and sheep are domestic animals. It is an ostrich. It is a peacock. It is a kiwi. It is a penguin. Find the odd one. It is peacock. Because a peacock can fly. But ostrich, kiwi, and penguin are flightless birds. They cannot fly. It is a goat. It is a cow. It is a dog. It is a giraffe. Find the odd one. It is giraffe. Because a giraffe is a wild animal. But goats, cows, and dogs are domestic animals. It is a frog. It is a fish. It is a hen. It is a bat. Find the odd one. It is bat. Because bat is a mammal, and mammals give birth to their young ones. But frogs, fish, and hens lay eggs. It is a lion. It is a cow. It is a hyena. It is a deer. Find the odd one. It is cow. Because a cow is a domestic animal. But lion, hyena, and deer are wild animals.